Okay, what I've got here is a plane, just a plain plane, and I've got a bunch of lines that I'm going to use as streets to cut that up with. On this particular line, I've added a shell and an extrude. So what I can do is I can select those, right click copy, and I can paste onto each of these lines. Just an ordinary paste is fine. Alright, so now each of them is shelled and extruded. I can now either move my plane up a little to intersect with them, or I can just select each of those lines and move them down a bit so that they've got a good intersection with the plane, because we're about to boolean in them. Alright, so selecting my plane, I come over here to the create, understanded primitives, compound objects, boolean, and I want to do a subtract this time. So I am taking my operands and I am selecting them one by one, and so long as the boolean is happy, each of those should come out. Holster that, and you've got your site. I can now take this and I can add what's called a Quadify to it. So just in here, in the modifier panel, Quadify mesh, and if I press my F4, you'll see what that does. We can bring that up a little. You just want to be careful not to bring it down to 0. Something like that, and then I can add a greeble to that, and it'll make a bit of a city.